There are cats, and then there are small cats. Then there are thick, furry, allergy-ridden fat cats. Liver Valley Cat Lovers Cat Chow now presents a scientifically proven answer to those cats that cover your house with fallen fur. It's the all-new Allergy H Cat Chow. Over 80% of cat lovers who have longed for fur-free lasting results agree. Their cat sheds less, much less. And their feline agrees that the taste is a cat's gourmet delight. Ask for it by name. Allergy H Cat Chow from Liver Valley.